Nasa bahay ako kanina.
I was at home earlier.
Bakit wala ka sa bahay kagabi?
Why weren't you at home last night?
Anong gagawin ko?
What should I do?
Bakit mo ako tinatanong yan?
Why are you asking me that?
Lasing ka ba kahapon?
Were you drunk yesterday?
Ibigay mo sa akin.
Give it to me.
Akala ko madali pero mahirap pala.
I thought it was easy but it turned out to be difficult.
Bakit ang ingay sa labas?
Why is it noisy outside?
Pangako, babalikan kita.
I promise I'll get back to you.
May problema ka ba?